So here's a document that I do not speak about often. As a matter of fact, I don't believe I've ever spoken about this. We assist Jamaicans overseas with obtaining death certificates, birth certificates, or marriage and adoption from Jamaica. Recently, I've been getting a lot of requests for assistance with death certificates. But these death certificates are probably non-existent because it appears that the person's death was not registered. A burial order was issued, but the death was not registered, and so we're not able to obtain the death certificate from the registrar. So this is your sign. You need to make sure that the death is registered, because without it, you will not be able to get a death certificate. So there was a burial order or some document from the church, you have to take it to the registrar to have the death officially registered. I am Gail of 876 Documents. Thanks for watching.